14-year-old boy has lost his life in the recent Nipah outbreak in Kerala. This is the fifth time the state is witnessing a Nipah outbreak, with the first time being 2018, where about 17 people have lost their lives. In these 5 outbreaks, about 22 people have lost their lives, the first time being 2018. The health department is on high alert. Protocols are in place in Malappuram district. Masking is made mandatory, and people have to follow social distancing. About 350 people have been identified as the contacts of this child. About 101 of them are high-risk contacts, of which about 68 are healthcare workers. Health Minister Veena George said that the samples of all high-risk contacts will be tested. Today also about 7 samples are being tested. This includes the samples of the parents of the child. Though the parents do not have any symptoms, their samples are also being tested. About 224 teams are conducting door-to-door surveys in the 2 panchayats in Malappuram district where this case has been found. So the protocols are in place, but this is the 5th time the state is witnessing a Nipah outbreak. The first time about 17 lives were lost in 2019. One person was infected and all his contacts were tested negative. Again in 2021, one person died. Then again 2023, we had an outbreak where 2 people have lost their lives, and now in 2024. The state wanted to study have a multidisciplinary study having various departments, coordinating various departments and conducting a study. But they said that they have not so far received a permission for this from the ICMR, though a project was submitted in this regard. Now, why Kerala is witnessing this, when we ask experts about this, they say that in the seroprevalence study that was conducted by ICMR among the bats, they found that in Wayanad district was the maximum that they could find the prevalence of this virus in bats. About 28% of the bats that they had tested, samples collected, were found to have this virus. And also, every time there was an outbreak, it happens between the time from May to September. And even in the seroprevalence study, when they studied from February up to September, they found that it was peaking during September. This is also the mating time of the bats. So that must be one reason why these outbreaks are happening during this time. Now, if you look at all the outbreaks where these cases have been found, it was in the neighboring areas. Though it was in Calicut and in Malappuram district, it was these areas which were very close to Wayanad district. So it's always in the northern part of Kerala, especially in these areas, that these outbreaks are being witnessed. So what experts are saying is that they need a detailed study. Various departments need to be involved in this. Till then, all that they can say, these are various hypotheses, but to find out for exact, they have to conduct a detailed study.